Hi, rKavanaugh here again with BISH'S RV in sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this used 2008 Monaco Monarch. It's a 30 PDD, so it's about 30 feet long. You know, again, it's a 2008. It's in good shape. It's affordably priced. So if you're looking for an affordable 30-foot motorhome, this may be the one. It's got the Ford Triton V10. It's got two big slide outs. It's got a very nice floor plan. Let's go have a look. So again, this is a 2008, and so they did upgrade the the picture tube monitor with the flat screen, so that's nice. This has got very low miles, so very nice there. It's got a old school backup camera. It still has the CD player. The seat cushions here are in very good shape. It is carpeted. You've got a nice sofa here. You have some nice valances. And you have a nice dinette which breaks into a bed as well as the sofa. What's really nice here, the cabinetry is in really good shape and there's lots of storage. You've got a nice big microwave oven. It also acts as a convection oven. So you can do lots of cooking here. You got a standard 3-burner gas stove, and as you can see, lots of storage and nice solid surface countertops. Plus you have some sink covers, which also add to, obviously, the ability to do more work here. Very nice, plus an extension. As we move back, you've got the a standard Norcold freezer refrigerator. And in this particular case, it has an ice maker, so that's nice and convenient. This is a very clean motorhome. Again, it's used, but it's in pretty good shape. And like I said, it's very reasonably priced. As we move back, you have the bathroom and shower in here, so have a look. And as we move back into the bedroom, you can see it's a walk-around queen-size bed, and I really love this. This is a really, really nice looking and very comfortable headboard. So this motorhome is really nice. You can sit back, relax, watch TV on an old school picture tube TV. You can obviously upgrade that to a flat screen at your convenience. You have a little bit of workspace here. And as you can see, it's a nice walk-around bed. And in this case, the furnace has the vents down below, like a residential style. So very nice. You also have storage up here, very deep storage. So very nice. This is a very affordable motorhome. So if you're looking to get into a Class A motorhome at around 30 feet and you're on a budget, this might be the one for you. It has very low miles for the year. Give me a call. Again, I'm rKavanaugh. I'd be happy to show you this motorhome or any other motorhome we have. Just ask for me when you come here or call. Numbers below. Hope to see you soon.